When you fit a new windscreen on the S-Class, clean it thoroughly first. There is some residual material from the old windscreen on the flange on the vehicle. Use a scraper to level it to a maximum of 2 millimeters. Now use a suitable vacuum cleaner to clean the entire working area. Use the cleaner included in the repair kit to clean the area for the adhesive on the chassis flange. Use the cloth to dry it thoroughly. Only apply the primer included in the repair kit to areas where the remaining adhesive is missing or damaged. You can touch up any paint damage on the chassis flange with a level of damage below 10% using the primer pen. Now you need to modify the attachments on the windscreen, depending on the equipment. Thoroughly check the windscreen for scratches and any other damage. Remove the plastic strip from the lower edge of the windscreen. Then use adhesive tape to attach the electrical connectors to the inside and outside, depending on the equipment. Use the activator included in the repair kit and apply it to the adhesive area. Then use a cloth to dry the area. Now apply a 20mm wide stripe of primer to the adhesive area. Remember to close the viewing window. The primer needs to be left to evaporate for at least 10 minutes. Attach the rubber windscreen spacers to the vehicle before adhering the windscreen in place. Do not yet remove the top protective film. Attach the vacuum lifting tools to the front windscreen. Get someone to help you and place the windscreen on the rubber spacers on the chassis flange. Now you can align the windscreen with the chassis opening. The windscreen must be inserted correctly and centered on the A column with a feeler gauge. Mark the exact position of the windscreen on the top edge using adhesive tape strips, and then cut the adhesive tape strips. Now apply the adhesive to the inside of the windscreen along the adhesive area. Use the 13mm application nozzle. Use a piece of cardboard to wipe the end of the adhesive bead. Now remove the top protective film from the rubber spacer. The windscreen must be fitted within 10 minutes of applying the adhesive and with the help of a colleague. Place the windscreen and align it with the markings. Press the windscreen into the adhesive bead until it comes into contact with the rubber spacers. The hardening time is 1 or 2 hours, depending on the type of sealant. Finished. The windscreen has been fitted successfully.